And this one is taking a look at finding the integral of x minus 1 dx. So the first stage in the process is to use u substitution or variable substitution. So say u equals x minus 1. You then differentiate this. So it's going to tell you that du equals dx. When you differentiate, remember the negative 1 goes away because it's constant, and then the derivative of x is just 1. So you basically end up, if you want to be very careful, there's a 1 in front of the dx. But normally we just write dx. And then you go into the integral and you make replacements. Let me number these. So this is step 1, step 2, step 3. Step number 4, therefore, will be this. Then you put the root of u, because you're replacing x minus 1 with u. And then the dx is replaced with a du. Then the next stage is to rewrite this, so that becomes u to the 1/2. That's the exponential version of the root symbol. That's step number 6. You apply the power rule, so you're going to have this. You're going to end up with u to the 1/2 plus 1 over 1/2 plus 1 plus the constant c here. Step number 7, you need to add up the fractions. So you're going to have u to the 1/2 plus 2 over 2. I'm rewriting the 1 as 2 over 2. Same thing in the bottom, so 1/2 plus 2 over 2 plus c. Step number 8, so that's going to give you u. Then you add up the fraction and the exponent. 1 plus 2 is 3, so it ends up being 3/2. In the bottom, you also have 3/2 plus the c. Step number 9 here. You take the 3/2 in the bottom and you multiply by its flipped version outside. So that's going to give you now 2/3 of u to the 3/2 plus c. That's step number 10. Remember that back at step number 2 we defined u to be equal to x minus 1. So that's step number 10. Therefore I will put 2/3. The u will be replaced with x minus 1. That's to the 3/2 plus c. And often you can just put this as the answer. Thanks, leave a like, I'll see you in another video.